Yanage one-sided inquiry.
The leaders of the Voice of the People Party decided to defy Section 144 of the CRPC to be imposed on June 4th, the day of the counting of votes for the Lok Sabha polls. A statement yesterday, East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu defended the imposition of Section 144. It generally prohibits public gathering, barring rallies and processions from Polo Ground, the counting centre. VPP President Arden Miller Basayamoit told reporters that the leaders and supporters of the party would march to the ground on June 4th to know the outcome of the election to the Shillong parliamentary seat.
Kasing kalau dapat naik ke jingkok kumalong, bat ngiyeng hakat kanurim banginum lawan pedang, bat ngin mi baik kumki pai ba nong kesan jong ke Voice of the People Party ban lech ke jaka nyobot, bat kumbangi community bangin yo ya ke jingjok hakani ke election MP dak ke jingkesan shithem jong pai ba, ngin ye lekmen, ngin ye shatmen ru, dak ka akor ke burom ke jinong tipri to play. Bat nginum saya nu inuban kang lat ini.